Ever wondered how to transform store-bought rosemary clippings into your very own thriving plant? Imagine the joy of cooking with fresh rosemary from your garden, its delightful aroma wafting through your home, and the pride of nurturing a plant from a mere clipping. Well, you're about to discover an easy step-by-step process to do just that. First things first, gather your supplies. You'll need rosemary clippings, a glass of water, potting soil, and a pot. Each plays a crucial role in nurturing your rosemary's growth. With these simple items, you're ready to embark on your rosemary growing journey. Your rosemary clippings need a bit of preparation before they can start growing. Begin by gently stripping the leaves from the bottom 2/3 of each clipping. Then, place these bare stems into a glass of water. With your clippings soaking up water, you're one step closer to your homegrown rosemary. Now, it's time for the exciting stage, planting and nurturing your rosemary. With your rooted clippings, place them gently into a pot filled with well-draining potting soil. Remember, this Mediterranean herb loves the sun, so ensure it receives plenty of light. Regular watering is key, but take care not to overwater. Patience is your friend here, as rosemary can be a slow grower. Continue to nurture it with love and care. With these steps, your rosemary will be ready to flourish in no time. Growing your own rosemary from store-bought clippings is a rewarding endeavor. The joy of watching a simple clipping transform into a robust, aromatic plant is truly unparalleled. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.